Right now, the entire AI video industry is split right down the middle. On one side, you have the established industry giant Seedance 2.0. On the other, the viral new challenger HappyHorse 1.0. But here's the truth that nobody is telling you online. One of these models has a hidden superpower that will completely change how you create, and the other, it has a massive hidden flaw that could ruin your next big project if you are not prepared for it. Today, we're putting them head-to-head in 4 brutal stress tests. No favorites, no bias, just pure side-by-side data, so you can decide which one is actually worth your time. Let's look at the data. Test 1. Physics. I gave both models the exact same prompt, a glass of water shattering on a table in ultra slow motion. Here is what actually happened. Seedance 2.0 gave us a great overall look, but watch the glass closely. The moment it shatters, the broken glass particles completely vanish. The water looks fine, but the glass disappears. Now look at HappyHorse 1.0. The actual animation of the glass breaking feels a little unnatural, but once it breaks, the fluid dynamics and the after effects are flawlessly realistic. A very mixed bag for both. Test 2. Audio and emotion. The prompt was a cinematic close-up of a man talking animatedly on a New York street.
You're gonna love it. It's got a great selection of beers, wines, and cocktails.
Seedance 2.0 did a great job. The overall graphic quality is realistic, and the lip syncing holds up very well. But then, I ran it through HappyHorse 1.0.
You know what makes this city incredible? Every single person here has a story worth hearing.
In my opinion, HappyHorse takes the win here. The facial expressions, the perfect lip movement, and the overall visual quality were noticeably better and felt much more natural than Seedance. Test 3. Text accuracy. The prompt was a neon sign reading Midnight Cafe. Seedance 2.0 delivered great neon effects and colors, but the overall vibe felt a bit less realistic. HappyHorse 1.0 did something really interesting. It gave us 2 camera angles. From a distance, the letter G in Midnight looked confusing, almost like an A or an O. But as the camera shifted closer, the spelling became perfectly clear, and the shot looked incredibly realistic. Test 4. Character consistency and prompt adherence. This is where things went completely off the rails. For our base character, a 35-year-old detective, Seedance 2.0 gave us next-level realism, but it completely hallucinated. It added a cigarette, had him light it, and start smoking, which was never in the prompt. HappyHorse 1.0 also hallucinated, adding unprompted rainfall to the shot, though it still looked great. Then we tested scene consistency. In Scene 1, inside a coffee shop, Seedance 2.0 was perfect. The window glass reflections were incredibly natural. HappyHorse 1.0 struggled with physics here. The steam coming from the coffee cup was way too thick from a distance, looking unnatural, though the close-up of the face was great. Finally, Scene 2, walking down an alleyway. Seedance 2.0 was flawless. Perfect body language, movement, and facial expressions. HappyHorse 1.0 had the character walking straight at the camera. It heavily emphasized the rainfall, and honestly, the wet reflections on his coat made it look surprisingly natural and ultra-realistic. So what is the final verdict? It's not about which one is better overall, but which one is better for your specific workflow. Use HappyHorse 1.0 if you value speed, native audio, and immediate visual impact for short-form content. Use Seedance 2.0 if you're working on projects that require precise camera control, character continuity, and a professional director-style workflow. Ultimately, both models are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Which of these approaches do you find more useful for your own creative work? Let me know your side of the debate in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated as these models evolve, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.